we are here at my grandparents' farm. We're going to be trying to make the Solberg family LEFSE, which my grandma has made very perfectly for years and years, and me and my mom and my sisters have tried to make it in the past and it's never really turned out. So the secret ingredient is definitely my grandma, and she is going to show us how to make it properly, and hopefully it works out this time.
Oh, that looks perfect. Can you touch it?
Oh no.
Yeah, that's good.
So why do we do the potatoes the night before?
They have to be cool. If they're warm, then they absorb too much flour.
Okay.
Oh.
And so then your lefse is tough.
Well, there are red potatoes in there.
Yeah.
A little bit of cream, a little bit of butter.
Yeah. And
Whipped,
salt.
whipped in the wash. Now, a lot of people, when they make lefse, they use a potato ricer.
But if they probably didn't have a wash.
Exactly.
So that's a hand thing?
It's like a.
And
Oh, we
we
had it out here. Where is it, Jared?
Oh.
It's kind of like a garlic press, right? For
Yeah.
potatoes.
Oh, no.
Today it says return cooled potato mixture
the wash.
into the wash. The whipper things. Add 1 scant teaspoon baking powder.
What does scant mean?
Like not a huge.
Okay.
Like don't heat.
Okay. Is this okay or too much?
Maybe a little less.
You can have a little bit more. I think.
A little bit more. Okay. This is scary. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Tablespoon salt. 2 large tablespoons sugar.
Yeah, I would. I think that's a little bit too much sugar. I would hold 1.5 and just taste it. See. But yeah, I think that's enough. When you mix it, I think don't ever mix it in a high speed.
Just do the lower speed. You're just trying to blend it.
You're
Right
just
now.
trying to. Yeah, I think it should.
Okay, so now you take that off and you've got to put the dough in. But this will be the fun part. You got to pull up. It's coming. Try that now. And then this is where grandma's going to come in. Think of it this way, you have to be able to roll this out. Right? It's like, gotta be a
It's
dough.
like a cookie dough.
Yeah, cookie dough.
Things like a cookie dough.
Oh yeah, it's too sticky. Butter or still more? I've put about 1.5 cups in, but we have the cream in already.
I think put in a little more flour.
Always flour it, roll it out,
Yeah.
and flour it. It's
Yeah.
just like if I get too much flour,
You pick up a lot of flour when you go. I try one. I just try rolling.
Yeah, try
and
rolling
then
one. Will you flour this?
flour, good. Flour on the table.
Yeah, I washed this already.
Yeah, I watched you do it.
Describe how you do this, because you said you usually take out a little ball.
Mm-hmm.
About what size?
Okay.
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Uh,
And then
okay,
you
I
start
think-
with the.
About half the size of a small apple.
Okay.
Yeah, that'll make you a baby.
Okay. Yeah, that's what we're trying. to
That's
see
what
if
I
it
would
works.
try. Yeah,
Even
You
if
gotta
it-
put some flour on the bottom and stuff, right?
yeah put flour on the table. And then pat it.
So flour this thing too, right?
And roll your rolling pin in the flour before. Yeah, just roll it in that flour.
Okay.
Okay, nice. And gently roll it first.
Okay. So too sticky?
The potatoes were chilled.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here, this is what I mean.
We don't have the magic touch.
Get rid of that or I'll pick up again.
Oh, get rid of this?
Yeah,
This?
that works. Just brush through it so you get all of it out.
Yeah, these are the things we don't know.
That's really a bottom brush for me and babies.
It looks to me like my straw cleaner.
Yeah, that's what
But
I was
just
thinking.
way bigger.
You also have to remember, like, so you can go this way, and this is just a small piece too. It's probably good.
to sprinkle flour on top of it.
That
No more.
flour. But yeah, it's very sticky to
Yeah,
it.
you
Yeah,
can just-
I think there needs more flour.
Yeah, I think you would even add a half a cup of flour.
So that's what we're trying to say.
Not quite thick.
It's like sticking to the table but
Yeah,
when I
it
floured
can.
it. Like now this dough feels like it would be easy to roll, but it's taken on a lot of
Just
flour.
remember you did it to
Oh yeah,
thin.
yeah. It's not enough flour. No.
Yeah. So we'll add more in there. Okay.
Yeah.
Adding flour. It's sticky still. What do you think? We should just go for it?
Yeah, I think bigger. Flour
Okay.
it really works itself out.
No? Looks good so far.
Okay, but we can't do it to this.
You roll in the flour again.
Roller in the flour?
Yeah, roll it. Sprinkle a little bit of flour on the top.
Mm.
Oh.
And I had that sticky part. Okay. Sure, I bet I did. That
Seems to be rolling okay.
Yeah. And clean your
That looks
end,
great.
like clean your end off here. Because it'll be sticky otherwise.
Yeah, there are a lot of things that she's telling us that we didn't do. Yeah,
Like what?
like just things with the pan and the flour, and like even cleaning this end off.
Oh no, she needs that. Sorry, leave it there.
And I don't know how you go.
Oh, that's good.
Not getting more flour into it.
Yeah, but
Oh.
And also, when you warm up the pan, like you don't grease the pan, right? Or do you grease the pan?
Never grease the pan.
Do you sprinkle a little bit of flour on the bottom of the pan?
Okay, now pick it up and flour underneath.
Mm.
See, I think that,
Yeah,
that
and
is,
flip it over. So you roll from the other side. There.
Oh, tricky.
Check.
We definitely didn't do that.
Yeah, that's way better.
Yeah,
isn't that about the right thickness?
yeah, it's now you're good.
Yeah. So
And
we
shake it kind of and pick it up.
So Rachel, you'll need more, like a bigger piece of dough.
Yeah.
to
Is
start.
she hot?
I don't know if it's hot enough. That's
It
all.
smells hot. Look
Might as well
at
do
it.
that first one.
Great.
Try it.
Yeah, very good.
Oh! It's just flour.
Go like this with your stick.
Flip it over.
Go like
That's
that.
how you
Oh,
put
I'm
it
supposed
on.
to do like that? Okay,
Yeah.
not. Try again?
Do we flip it with
Oh,
this
oh,
thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, and look at it from the top, and you'll see bubbles raising on the top.
Oh, okay,
and that
so
means there'll be brown on the bottom.
It's smoking.
okay, so we don't flip it until we see bubbles.
No, you'll see a few bigger bubbles.
Just do it.
You know, sometimes you have to go back and forth and back and forth.
Maybe it's like the pancakes, you know, like the first
The first
one.
ones suck. Yeah.
Yeah. It doesn't look bad,
It doesn't
actually.
look bad, no. It's just not as brown as it normally is.
Yeah.
in my opinion.
Yay, it's working.
Take a piece of paper towel or something to clean it before, between each. Between
The
each-
pan?
Right there.
Yeah, for
right
this,
there.
yeah.
Yeah, that's handy to have there in the kitchen, isn't it?
Is that the
So-
second one, Rachel?
Go on.
Okay.
Okay, I think it's
done.
good now.
Definitely cooked.
Let me see.
Oh, that looks nice.
Oh, yeah, that's good, you guys.
Floury.
So now you lay it in half.
In half?
And then we put this over top of it, right?
Like this?
Yeah, yeah, and then pull that out. And then this comes
Together, so
over it,
clean.
like that, right?
Baby.
Mhm.
That's good. And then you get it up, just kind of go like this.
Yeah.
Okay, and then move your back. Flip it on. Roll your hand.
That was awesome.
It's a little sticky there, but it'll.
Okay, Rachel's gonna do a perfect one
Mhm.
now.
Pressure's on.
Oh, I do that.
Alright. That good?
That's a little sticky. You're doing a good job over here.
Well, I'm trying next. Except for you have to like reteach me now.
A big handful, sort of?
Sorry, not the size of a small apple.
No.
We did it?
You only use flour with it. And you can almost shake them like this if you have too much flour.
Right.
You know,
In that
you
case,
could use
it's-
more.
Just a little bit. I think I had a feeling that.
Those are catching on fine.
Not quite centered. That's fine. Tell me about the roller.
Well,
All the
it's got all these little grooves in it, so all of the flour can get inside. So it's just really saturated with flour.
Oh, I actually thought it was something to do with ear.
Why they were.
Nope.
Oh.
I would say it's been on there long enough, yeah.
I like them crispy. Do I just do it in the middle?
I went in the middle. There was a couple times where it looked like I shouldn't have gone in the middle, but... Ooh, that was
Ooh,
very...
you slow down over there,
I
cowboy.
don't know.
I feel like that doesn't look like it was your
the
first
flour,
lick.
Look at Rise.
yeah, the flour kind of comes off of it and it's a little bit more browner, you know?
So that where there was no husks or anything left, it would have ground it
Just
all
all like, yeah. And I think if it's set different
different
settings,
thicknesses.
But,
Look like it to me.
that bedroom of yours.
This one's a good one.
Oh, I can't just touch that. How's the LEFSE
I
go?
can remember sleeping up in that attic.
Seems to be working. Okay, we finally finished doing the LEFSE.
We need more.
It's here.
hours later.
Yeah, it took us about 2 hours. We started at like 10:30 and it's now 12:30. Grandma says that it would have taken her an hour and a half if she was doing it. But we're learning, so it's fine. And now Mom is also making our traditional Solberg meal. So she is making cod. And also you've got to have the cream peas and potatoes.
I'm making the traditional kale salad.
Well, the kale salad is a new addition.
All the way from the fields of Costco.
Yep. Lightly. And then you salt and pepper it generously.
Okay.
When it's on,
What are you finding, Misty? What are you finding?
fish. Should I just leave that?
And you only met the girls
So the trick is you have to get a piece of LEFSE without it honking at you or oinking at you. You have to like grab it. I made space here.
Everybody
I
can
made you
sit.
on the sunshine.
Oh, it's not quite big enough.
There, all
We
good.
need something for to dish it up.
First of all, you take a big slab of butter.
Lots of butter.
Lots of butter. Slab. And then I always put the potatoes and the peas on next. Like vegetables on top of that. And then hopefully there's enough room to roll it all up.
And you make it like a flat.
And you roll it up. It's like a Norwegian burrito.
That looks good.
Mm-hmm.
The way the three of us like to eat lefse is for dessert. So first you stick the butter on, then you get the sugar. Are you sticking cinnamon on yours
I
too?
think I will today.
Okay.
I have just a little bit for me though.
There you go, put cinnamon on her porridge every
Good
night.
enough.
Yeah, and then you roll it into a Norwegian taquito. Yes.
Put sugar on there?
It's a very versatile food.
Mm-hmm.